Let me catch your vibe, let's just take our time.
Hey guys, welcome back. Long time no see, honeybee. Anyways, okay, so we finna do these nails today. Of course we're not leaving them that long. Well, we could, but we ain't today. So we got the Goutrades nails from off Amazon. These are my favorite nails, so just go Google them if you want to find some good nails. I do have them listed in a previous video, so look at the last video if you want to link to the nail tips. So right now I'm just doing everything I always do, prepping the nails, getting them ready for the acrylic. We're going to use spider gel today, so stay tuned. Okay, so you want to put this clear base coat down just so you can marry the nail with your nail bed. So, yeah, make sure you do that because it just gives it a more solid foundation. Oops, out of frame. Hold. My bad, you know that shit happens. Bro, I'm so mad. My phone is not focusing. Okay, there we go. Back to your regular scheduled program. So my man was waiting to talk to me while I was doing these nails, and he kept saying, dang, you still doing your nails? Still doing your nails? Yeah, you do your own nails. It takes 17 hours. I'm just not even gonna lie to y'all about that, because it do take a while. Especially you gotta do your right hand with your left hand when you're right-handed. You know, that takes a lot of work. You know, not everybody can even do their whole nails with both hands. I'm just gonna tell y'all the truth. Like, not everybody can do that shit. Not everybody's gonna take the time to sit there and learn how to do something with their non-dominant hand. You know, you gotta be super smart to do that shit. Yes, me, I am. Yep. Okay, so the secret is I'm in love. Yeah, period. It's beautiful. You just be laughing at everything the person be saying. It is just amazing. If my phone don't get in the frame, man, bruh, like, what the fuck? Come on, phone. You supposed to be working with me. You need to move a little bit. Okay, there we go. Okay, so I'm gonna do these off frame and I'll be right back. Boop, 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 boop. Okay, done now. Now we're going to go ahead and file, shape, and buff the nails before we proceed to go ahead and, you know, do what it do. I ain't even gonna lie, this was my first time using this stuff, and you know, you really got to get the hang of it to where you know, you figure out how to do it. It's a little annoying, ain't gonna lie, but the final result is really cute. So, you know, you just got to work at it. My first time doing it on screen was first time doing it ever, so you know, it definitely can be done. One and done. Also, man, I'm so happy like spring is about here. Like, I'm so tired of the cold weather, even though where I live in Minnesota, we didn't really get, like, it was the warmest winter on record, period. Like, you know, it wasn't that bad, but still, I just don't like it. I just don't like the cold. It's getting old, and I've been here my whole life, so yeah. I'm about ready for this spring to happen. Okay, so thank y'all for watching. I'll see y'all next time. Bye.